Hi guys, it's Songboy13, time for weather for the week ahead. Now, of course, in my previous video, I think the information I'm going to give out probably might be a bit similar, but I'm still going to, go through the main details anyway. But yes, we've got, starting from early, overnight and into the end of Tuesday, we have got at least 48 hours of a yellow warning for heavy rain and thunderstorms. The warning was called out today, so we got a brief respite. But even that, the odd thunderstorm still can't be ruled out. But generally today, hazy sunshine today. It's certainly not quite as bright as yesterday, but it's quite warm outside. The temperatures will get up to highs of around 21 degrees Celsius with just a 30% chance of rain. But the settled weather is not going to last long. Tonight we've got a weather front bringing some pretty heavy, possibly torrential rain sweeping in southwest England up northwards towards our region overnight. And there is a fairly medium to strong possibility we could get some thunderstorms. The rain chance will be near 100%, but I think chance of thunderstorms overnight, depending on if there's any humidity and lift enough to help create some thunderstorms, we could have those overnight because the humidity will be high, temperatures will be fairly high, so 100% chance of rain, 60% chance of thunderstorms overnight. But even when you catch a storm, it could be quite severe. There could be a lot of lightning, a lot of rain, and possibly some surface water flooding. Now this week's weather, it's going to be warm all week. We don't know how warm it's going to be, but the temperature's certainly going to be warmer as it was last week. It's not going to be completely dry. Early in the week there is a threat of some severe thunderstorms, but I think from Wednesday onwards the weather will settle down for a few more days, and of course staying on the warm side as well. So actually not a bad week overall, oddly enough. So for tomorrow's weather, Monday could be bringing in a very wet or damp start in the morning time. We may possibly get some early morning thunderstorms, which should clear away up to the north. We may have a mostly dry afternoon, but it's going to be very humid tomorrow afternoon. There may be some sunshine, but it could be a threat of some further showers and thunderstorms breaking out into the afternoon. Some places will stay dry all day. The temperature's feeling quite warm with highs of around 23 degrees Celsius. Chance of thunderstorms will be again around 60%. Tuesday's weather is going to be slightly similar, although it will be a dry start to Tuesday morning. We may see some sunshine. We've got like a little weather front coming in from the south, and that again, with the warm and humid air, could once again trigger potentially some very intense thunderstorms with lots of lightning, hail, heavy downpours, surface water flooding, not out of the question. Temperatures around 22 degrees Celsius typically on Tuesday, and once again a 60% chance of rain or thunderstorms. But it looks like by the time we get to Wednesday, we keep the fairly warm air. Back on Wednesday, parts of southeast England could see temperatures close to low 30s, slightly cooler where we are, but still feeling very warm at times. But we're underneath less humid air, drier air, as we have winds from the pretty much south continent, and the pressure will be rising, so we should see very few showers or thunderstorms by Wednesday. Still maybe the odd light one can't be ruled out, but mostly by Wednesday, good spells of hazy sunshine, I would say. Might be a little while till the cloud breaks away, but a fine day. Temperatures once again 22 degrees Celsius on Wednesday and a 20% chance of rain. And by Thursday it will be a fine day. Plenty of sunshine around on Thursday. Temperatures again pleasantly warm. We're not sure about the temperatures wise. Probably maybe briefly cool, or probably at its coolest midweek, 21 degrees Celsius, but still the sun is extremely strong this time of year. You'll still get easily sunburned, 0% chance of rain. And by Friday we're underneath a large area of high pressure. Temperatures will probably be a little bit higher, probably 23 degrees Celsius, maybe 24. Lots of sunshine to look forward to. The wind's light as well. It's certainly going to feel like summer for a change. A quick recap into next Saturday. We'll probably briefly see some very warm air. Again, there's a lot of question how warm it will be. So the numbers I've just shown on the screen could be a little bit different to what it may be in a few days' time. But just as a thought for Saturday, maybe a bit of hazy sunshine. We're keeping some very warm air, winds coming in from the south. We could see temperatures 25 degrees Celsius. Some models may say 27 or 28, so keep an eye out for that. But it's likely that early next weekend it could be a slight scorcher. Will it last? Probably not. As we get into the following week, it will be slightly cooler. Temperatures will be closer to average. It's still going to feel quite warm at times, and the weather will be slightly cloudier, and there is a chance of a few showers next week. Probably nothing like the thunderstorms we'll be getting early this week coming up. The weather probably a bit typical once again next week, but not a huge amount of wet weather, so I wouldn't be too disappointed on that. So, but there's the weather for the week ahead. So just to give you a heads up, tonight, Monday and Tuesday, be prepared to catch some possibly severe thunderstorms. Not everywhere will catch them, but you could still get a lot of rain in a short space of time. Other than that, that's about it for the weather forecast. I will try and get more videos out for you, as always, if I can. And please give it a like, comment and subscribe. And I'll try and get more videos out for you very, very soon. Have a fantastic week. Storms now out.